What's going on, guys? Big Mike, D717 Outlaw, back with you here today. So today we are finally working on the truck. Anybody that is new to the channel knows that I have a 2016 Silverado. We actually just went through warranty, so modifications are in order. So what we're doing is we're trying to make a decent catback system. I wanted to do a full exhaust, but we're going to do a budget option here. So all these pieces I bought individually off Amazon. Now, like I said, this was a budget. We're trying to keep it under 150 bucks. This whole setup here is perfectly fit for my truck, which is a double cab. This will basically be like a makeshift axle dump system. And right now we're sitting at about $102 with everything that includes shipping. So I'll have all these pieces in the description below. So we have I believe it is a Schofield reducer. And this is going to be a 3.5 inch system. The standard Chevy system, I believe, is a 2 7/8, but we're going to use the 3 inch and hopefully just be able to do a 3 inch OD to 3 inch ID coupler to bolt this right up to the system behind the cat. So you have a Dynamax flow through bullet muffler, just a 3.5 inch pipe. When I ordered this, it actually came with these two pieces, so have extra pipe if I need it. And then I believe it is another Schofield turn down. Now, we are not going to keep these in this condition. We're going to go to the shop now and actually get this whole system welded together, and then we'll paint it. We're going to go ahead and do a heat paint like I did on all the rest of the bikes and things like that. But anyway, let's get to the shop and get this system put together. Yeah, that was honestly, this was a better idea, because originally whenever I had this, I was just going to cut that off and put like a 3 inch to 3 inch band here just to hold that on, but that should work. The exit though, I didn't really plan on it because I ordered this pipe and it came that size, so I got lucky as hell.
Oh, I have all two of it over there behind my bin along the wall. I have all 10-foot strand of it over here.
Gee.
It's 3 inch. What was that? 3.5 or 3?
This is 3.5.
I got 3 from my boy's Dodge Ram. Actually, I want to. This part is.
And again, I still wouldn't have thought to pull that flange off there. I would have just stuck with the band clamp, cut it off, and put that on there. exhaust on. We have a few decent sound clips. I know that the wind noise kind of hurt it. Usually my microphone is a lot better with catching this stuff. But right now we're driving. We're actually testing out the drone in the vehicle, and it does drone. But it doesn't sound too bad. If you're under light acceleration, which of course this isn't, it actually doesn't drone too bad. So right now we're light acceleration, maybe about 1800 RPM, and you really don't hear much. It's only when you're really on the throttle, or if it goes really low in the RPMs, it does get really deep and it drones pretty good. But I have to admit, for being $100, $120 said and done little catback axle dump, it actually performs pretty well. I will admit the only thing that's going to perform bad is my fuel economy, because I love hearing the sound of the V8 now that I can actually hear it versus the stock exhaust. But yeah, like, it doesn't drone too bad. And then now I do have this in the manual mode with the tow haul mode on. At least I just turned it on. And when you do a downshift, it sounds awesome. If you use the manual, go down and tow haul, because it does rev match. So like here, let's see. Yeah, my fuel economy just went to hell completely. I'm gonna blow through a tank of gas in no time. But she sounds pretty good for being a $100 system, or at least a homemade $100 system. So I'm gonna end it there, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the parts list down below. I do have all the parts that we used for this build in the description. So who knows, maybe you guys can make your own axle dump system for a pickup truck. And like I said too, is the size of the pipe is all up to you. I used a 3.5 inch to give it a little bit more of a deeper rumble, but if you would go with a 3 inch, I guarantee it'll sound just as good. So, and you might get it cheaper actually. But yeah, alright guys, I will catch you on the next upload, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell next to it for notifications on the newest videos that will be coming out. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.